Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index slipped to around 99.15 on Thursday, pulling back from a 6-week high. Optimism over a potential US-Iran peace deal eased inflation and rate hike concerns, while also reducing safe haven demand for the dollar. President Trump said talks with Iran had entered their final stage, raising hopes that the Strait of Hormuz could soon reopen. Lower oil prices also helped ease inflation pressure. WTI crude steadied near 97 on Thursday after falling more than 5% in the previous session. President Trump said US-Iran talks were close to their final stage, lifting expectations that Middle Eastern oil supply could gradually return. Tehran is reviewing Washington's latest response to its 4-point proposal, while a potential deal could reopen commercial shipping through the Strait of Hormuz. Satellite data showing 3 supertankers passing through the strait added to supply optimism. Gold held above $4,500 on Thursday after gaining more than 1% in the previous session. The move was supported by optimism that the US and Iran could soon reach a peace agreement, easing inflation pressure and reducing rate hike concerns. Falling oil prices also helped calm inflation fears. However, the latest Fed minutes showed most officials still believe another rate hike this year could be justified if inflation remains above target, leaving investors divided on the Fed's next move. The yen strengthened past 159 on Thursday, ending its recent decline as both oil prices and the US dollar weakened. On the domestic front, Japan's April exports rose 14.8%, beating expectations, supported by strong demand from China, the US, ASEAN countries, and the European Union. Meanwhile, the yen remains close to the key 160 level, which reportedly triggered Japanese intervention in late April and early May. Tokyo officials have warned they may act again if volatility becomes excessive. Euro traded flat around 1.162 during early Asian hours on Thursday. Uncertainty around US-Iran negotiations may limit upside for the pair, as geopolitical tensions could support safe haven demand for the dollar. Meanwhile, around 85% of economists in a Reuters survey expect the European Central Bank to raise its deposit rate by 25 basis points in June.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.